So who is Srikanth?
Uh, uh, I'm SRIKANTH GOPICHAND. I'm
Hmm.
from Vijayawada.
Okay.
I basically done my master's in robotics engineering
Hmm.
in Italy,
Hmm.
University of Genoa.
Okay.
Later, I came here and searching for a good opportunity
Hmm.
in terms of electric vehicles as a
Okay.
passion.
Hmm.
You know, then I found a course in Google.
Hmm.
Basically, searched what are the good courses that I can
Okay.
get
Hmm.
here. Like that was like Corona
Hmm. Yep. Yep.
lockdown and all.
Yep.
So I just want to do it from home, and I want a good course that I
Hmm.
searched. Most rated course is Skill-Lync.
Okay. Hmm.
Which also just actually interested about a PG program
Okay. Hmm.
where it is kind of an PG diploma where
Hmm.
so almost all courses are imbibed into one single stream
Yes.
where
Okay.
we can learn everything from online.
Okay.
Where
Hmm.
that is very good because at the time of Corona,
Okay.
staying in home is a difficult part,
Hmm.
but learning this thing and putting our time in learning these things,
Okay. Hmm.
almost MATLAB, Simulink,
Hmm.
so many softwares that I
Okay.
learned during this skilling.
Hmm.
Basically, I started in September 2023,
20.
sorry, 22.
Hmm.
So during my entire thing, I have also done internship from Skill-Lync,
Okay.
where 3 months internship they provided
Hmm.
for me. That
Okay.
was also a good, it's not really like a Skill-Lync is provided internship where
Hmm.
it will be light. You
Okay.
know, they simply, they, it was like work culture. The
Okay.
actual work culture, how it will be, like that, the same way they've treated.
Okay.
Like
Hmm.
there will be a tracker every day. We
Okay.
should
Hmm.
update what we have done today,
Hmm.
and there will be like continuous reviews
Okay.
by the guides. You know, whatever the project we do every
Okay.
week, we need to get it reviewed.
Okay. Mentor will
So
be
in
there.
this way, yes,
Okay. Hmm.
in this way, every month I've done one project
Okay.
in Skill-Lync YouTube channel. Also, they
Okay.
have selected my project as a best project. So after that, I just got a call from HR stating that you got
Okay.
your resume got
Shortly.
shortlisted for the JD.
Okay.
Then immediately I got a call from Skill-Lync support also.
Okay. Hmm.
Like it is an career assistance team.
Hmm.
They have called me and
Okay.
they guided me what of the interview, what type of
Hmm.
questions they
Okay.
practically they will ask, because the first round everywhere the first round will be with the HR. It will be
Okay.
like something like how to perform as being a fresher. How to perform in an interview is a new thing for
It's
me.
kind of a mock
Uh,
interview will be given from Skill-Lync.
yes, 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 yes. So that helped me a lot.
Okay.
I easily cracked down first interview.
Okay.
So soon they have like later that day only they given me second round interview.
Okay. Hmm.
They've taken me. So in second round interview it is completely technical round.
Hmm.
It was like my who I am reporting now. He took my interview. It
Okay.
was like a long discussion where he started from the batteries and ended up with tires.
Battery
You know,
types. Okay. Uh-huh.
so
Hmm.
Blue Energy Motors they have started LNG trucks
Okay.
and they just want to start the electric trucks also.
Hmm. Okay.
For the electric trucks only, they are they're looking for some EV
Candidate.
engineers.
Hmm.
So yeah, so that's why through Skill-Lync, I got
Okay.
listed for them.
Hmm.
So after that, the third round is there with the CTO, like Chief Technical Officer.
Okay. Hmm.
He was like, some not every time he will take like 45 minutes interview,
Okay.
but
Uh-huh.
undergone me, like he started questions about some motor and power electronics. How many poles there are on the stator.
Okay.
What is stator having more poles or rotor having more poles? These kind
Uh-huh.
of
Okay.
questions he started very deeply, where
Hmm.
the motor design and
Okay.
power electronic design was involved.
Okay. So
So he was
basically,
amazed that
basically he was checking the total core knowledge, if I'm not wrong. Core knowledge of.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was an smooth onboarding of
Yeah.
my thing
Hmm.
because
Okay.
of Skill-Lync.
Hmm.
Career assistance was a good part where Skill-Lync was very good
Okay.
for a candidate. So they will guide from scratch.
Okay. Hmm.
Starting where if a candidate is hero,
Hmm.
he will be a hero also,
Zero to hero.
like that.
Super. Okay.
Because I felt it
Okay.
kind of. I learned. I've done two modules
Mm-hmm.
until now. It is regarding MATLAB. The first module
MATLAB.
is basically it's all about the whole vehicle, how you design it, and how you simulate it in
Okay.
a digital environment.
Mm-hmm.
But the second module is different. You
Mm-hmm.
need to have a theoretical knowledge where the content is like you won't get it anywhere on the web.
Okay. Hmm.
That is awesome.
Okay.
Really amazed because I kind of in my curriculum during my masters,
Hmm.
I used to interact with the teaching assistants where there are some PhD
Okay.
graduates.
Mm-hmm.
They used to research so many things about power electronics, motors,
Mm-hmm.
servo drives,
Mm-hmm.
these kind of things. This like the same way I used to search about it, but in the web it was like no, they completely researched some
Mm-hmm.
blogs,
Interesting.
some research paper, and created this content. This
Okay.
is
Mm-hmm.
not available on the website.
Okay.
This for sure,
Okay.
because especially motor design using ANSYS Maxwell.
Mm-hmm.
No, no way. You won't get it anywhere. Like other competitor, you know, some other things are there.
Okay.
So no way, you don't get it because basically ANSYS Maxwell is an you want to get a license
Okay.
with
Mm-hmm.
a huge cost because being in now I'm being in actual industry,
Okay.
all the license cost and all what I've
Mm-hmm.
learnt in skilling like a
Mm-hmm.
MATLAB,
Okay.
it was almost like for an industry to bear it was very huge cost. But they tied up with the MathWorks and arranged some workshops.
Mm-hmm.
That
That
was
is.
awesome.
Yep.
Yes, because MathWorks every year they will update their software,
Mm-hmm.
and they recently like when I'm learning when was I'm learning that time they launched the state-based blocks.
Okay.
That was
Mm-hmm.
like a easy thing only, but a candidate who is having a background of electrical and electronics and robotics,
Okay.
software will be always a tough part
Mm-hmm.
where we can't excel. Like C and C++, it is okay. Embedded C is okay, but Java,
Technical.
Python,
Technical part.
these kind of things will be
Uh-huh.
for an EV. The heart of the EV is VCU,
Mm-hmm.
like vehicle control unit.
Mm-hmm.
To
We see.
program it, we can do it with the MATLAB.
Okay.
We can do some mathematical modeling
Mm-hmm.
and we can convert it into an C program where we
Okay.
can flash it to VCU.
Mm-hmm.
This thing, I don't have any idea how they will do such huge
Okay.
lines of codes.
Mm-hmm.
But when we have undergone MathWorks workshop along with skilling
Mm-hmm.
provided, I was amazed.
Okay.
They were showing like oh, pill, SIL, hardware in loop,
Okay.
software in loop, and processing in loop.
Mm-hmm.
Things lively we have shown, we have witnessed.
Okay.
That is the way that impacted my knowledge.
Okay.
And here in Blue Energy Motors, currently I hired as an team member in
Great.
R&D, research and
Great.
development.
R&D.
But
Great, man.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
so for starting, when I joined, the project was like it is
Mhm.
going somewhat
Okay.
very slow.
Mhm.
But after 2 months, the project started very
Okay. Pick up
nice
also. Mhm.
in a pace. So we are having some technological collaboration in
Okay.
China.
Okay.
I visited 3 times to China. I have exposure to certifying EMI, EMC
Super. Super,
uh,
man.
component certifications. It was like I kind of really amazed without skilling. If I didn't got this
Super.
job,
Super.
I don't get this exposure or not.
All right.
Of course, I've gone abroad and
Good.
all,
Good.
but still,
Mhm.
going through work, it is matters.
Okay.
Like I for 3 months we worked in China for
Mhm.
that was like winter snowing and all.
So,
We really
nice.
kind of developed a
Uh-huh.
vehicle from scratch.
Mhm.
It was it is not at market. I can't reveal what is technology that we are
Or is
using. But
please
I'm
don't mention. Yep.
still to say sooner or later you will find
Uh,
in our LinkedIn page or somewhere in internet after we launch the vehicle. But
Chalo.
I'm
We will
I'm in a
be
very good project.
we'll be waiting for your launch, Srikanth. So I
Yeah,
guess
yeah.
you have given a proper insight from A to Z and everything about your journey and your investment. And I guess it gave a pretty much good returns. That is what I can hope. And
Yes.
putting spotlight on its CTC and working mode, Srikanth. So what is the range of your CTs? Any talk on that?
It is I can't say particularly because
Ah,
again it is an confidential thing. I can tell it is almost like 12
okay, super. And how
years.
is the
Uh,
working mode?
Meaning it is like flexible only
Okay.
because as part of R&D, we
Mhm.
are like there is no timings first of all.
Okay.
If we want to finish that thing, I should work by 12 o'clock in the night also.
Oh,
That is a
okay.
kind of different story
Uh-huh.
because all R&D, wherever we go, this kind of things will happen because
Okay. R&D.
project is our, main priority.
Got it. Got it.
Where
R&D
if you want to
matters. Yep.
launch it,
Got it.
yes.
Got it. So I guess
But sometimes I do work from home also. That is another thing. I
okay.
have a flexibility.
Flexibility is there. Then it's good.
Yes, yes,
All right.
yeah.
Last but not the least, Srikanth, I guess you have covered everything and I have asked everything. Last but not the least, any
Uh,
suggestion to our viewers or audience, Srikanth, who are willing to pursue their career in your same similar domain? Any suggestion from your end?
See, as a fresher, if anybody wants to join in EV industry because it is an emerging
Yeah,
technology,
agree with that.
they should be aware of some kind of basics where they they can process their thoughts.
Uh-huh. Mhm.
You know, kind of the MATLAB,
Mhm.
Skill-Lync, ANSYS Maxwell, PSpice,
Okay.
NX Electrical, CATIA V5, this kind of softwares where we can put our thoughts and process
Mhm.
it. So in bachelor's or master's, what we learn is a theoretical part where you need to implement in your own way.
Hands
Then
on.
it will come into the
Yep,
physical part.
agree with that.
So R&D, basically R&D is kind of, first of all, we need to have a pure basics.
Hmm. Fundamentals. Yep,
That
agree with
is
that.
for sure. Because without fundamentals, whatever the skill we have,
Mhm.
that is nothing.
Okay.
Again, it is the same way around also. If we
Hmm.
have skills also without fundamentals, with the fundamentals without
Applies.
skills, it will be
Yep.
nothing. So
No, doesn't make any sense.
either way we should have fundamentals and also in uh, way to
Expertise.
process our thoughts. Yes.
All right. So I guess I totally agree with you, Srikanth. Whatever domain it is, how expert you. But if you are weak with your fundamentals, then it doesn't make any sense whether you are expertise or not. So totally agree with that. And I guess pretty much coming to the CV part, how did you prepare your CV, Srikanth? While what made
Almost
it to
this
get shortlisted?
CV,
Yeah.
yes, CV format is actually kind of I got it from career assistance team
Okay.
only.
Mhm.
I kind of improvised it, but the basic format is from the career assistance team
Okay.
only.
Mhm.
So that was another plus point
Okay.
where they will guide a candidate through these teams.
All right. So yeah, Shrikant, I guess we covered pretty much everything, and I really appreciate you for taking time and joining us, and sharing your interview experience with your audience, Shrikant. Thanks a lot for taking time and joining us
Yeah,
today.
thank you.
And
My pleasure.
pleasure, pleasure. And yeah, guys, this is all about this talk. And if you're not a subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and subscribe. And I'll be sharing a Skill-Lync course link in the description. If you're interested, have a look into that. And I will also attaching Srikanth's LinkedIn profile in the description. You can connect with him. And Srikanth, thanks once again for joining us today.
Thank you.
And yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Take care.